Hello again, John with Traveler's Farm, here with Gladiator. Just finished up Cerakote, and I'm going to walk you through it a little bit. The package comes with 6 packets. I used 4, and for the most part, didn't really waste any. Didn't really try to stretch it too thin either. Did the handles, flares, bumper, front bumper, and the cowl. And here's the product. It comes in a box with the applicators and gloves. Also a link to directions. And with the applicator, it's best to go around the outside perimeter of the area you're going to cover, just like you would if you're painting a home or wall. Then fill in the center. Try not to go over once it's smooth up. Just don't go back over the area. These little ripples take a bit of patience. And here you can see the finished side. Got a nice sheen to it. And moving to the other side, not as much. That's the factory side there. And here we have side by side. You can tell the difference. This was under the same lighting conditions. Okay, so that's it. Very simple, very easy to use. Packaging is great. The wipes come in a perfect size, in my opinion, to go around, wipe, then go back and level it. I did make one error in judgment. I went through 2 packs, and when I went back to do the leveling, it had gotten a little bit tacky, so I may end up with a little bit of streaking, but totally on me. Still looks good. Nobody will notice it except for me, because it is in an inconspicuous place. So if you do use their products, follow the directions. They seem to know what they're talking about. They have good products. I've used many of their different products. Their tire coating is one of my favorite, and we'll look at that at a later time. But for now, their trim coat, it went on so easy. And again, one last little shot of it. Does give it a good sheen. Did darken it up just a little bit, but that's all we have.